Meet Debbie. Debbie has a problem. She's a transition coach who is a little frustrated. Why? It's simple, really. You see, people don't quite understand the importance of transition coaching. In fact, most people don't even know what transition coaching is. So many people need it, but have no idea how much it can help them. Transition coaching bridges the gap between performance coaching and therapy. Getting rid of all those negative emotions that are holding you back. Since 2005, Debbie has been developing a unique coaching program to address the issues surrounding this missing link. The outcome is a coaching process with a therapeutic benefit. Debbie wants to help you solve your problems. Just imagine. How far could you go with Debbie's help? What problems could you overcome? What would life be like without stress, doubt, or negativity? All those negative emotions, gone. Maybe you have issues that you simply cannot get past. Debbie would like to chat with you to explain about the power of transition coaching. And the easiest way to do that is to visit transitionalcoachinggroup.com. Book some time with Debbie today. Simply email support@transitionalcoachinggroup.com. A unique coaching process with a therapeutic benefit.